morning, another beautiful Monday in Siem Reap, Cambodia. This morning I came up to Phnom Krom, near Siem Reap. It's not too far from the city center, maybe a 15-20 minute drive. Thought I'd try and come up here for sunrise. I came a bit late, so I ended up watching sunrise down at the base of the mountain. But I made my way up here. I haven't been up here in a long time, so I thought I'd take a peek at the ancient ruins. I know they've been fixing on them, and it's just, I wanted to see how beautiful the green rice fields are right now this time of year. You can still see there's a lot of water down there, but it is very green. There's also a lot of different kind of birds flying around. I've been trying to practice catching a few pictures of them. I'm usually way too slow, so I'm missing a lot of the good shots. So yeah, I'm gonna poke around a little bit up here, and then I wanna head off to this new cafe called Fern Cafe. It's actually near this mountain. That's one of the reasons I came here too. Yeah, it looks like they're doing quite a bit of work on these ancient ruins up here, trying to rebuild them a little bit. I can hear that there's just thousands of bats inside of them. I've come up here a few times, and you get kind of the what happens in Battambang at the Bat Cave. They all come exiting out near sunset. So sometimes that happens here, and it sounds like tonight would be a good night for that, because I can literally hear the bats inside. Just don't stand underneath, you'll get rained on by bat guano. If you're up here for the sunset, it would be worth checking out, because you just get this really cool highway of bats exiting and flying off into the sky. It looks pretty wild. Okay, I'm gonna make my way back down the mountain. It's coffee time. Today, some cafe latte crow moi ban te.
This corporate man.
Oh, yok score. Con chran. Hang ni bao you how te?
Chất Vietnam.
Vietnam. Oh, just. Oh. Ni look ti moi. Okay. Interesting place. Coffee comes in a to-go container. Decent coffee. Not my favorite. I think it's the milk. Not really a fan of the milk. Coffee was $1.80. But interesting aesthetic they kind of have going. It's nice, beautiful garden. Yeah, they've got a sheep garden, a little hobbit house. They've got misters everywhere, trying to kind of create like some fog and koi fish, and nice place to chill. It definitely goes with the Siem Reap vibe of just chill, relax.